Hey guys, you're welcome and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, hello, you're welcome. Feel free to be part of this family by hitting the subscription button. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always being part of this family. You guys are my G. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make a natural hair twist. So I'm going to be giving you the difference between natural hair twist and ordinary twist. If this video sounds like what you want to see or what you want to learn, stay tuned and keep watching. While you enjoy this video, I'm going to be giving you some tips on these two types of twisting, which is the natural hair twist and ordinary twist, like I normally call it, before we move into details on how to make these two types of twisting. Natural hair twist can also be called kinky twisting. In other words, you can use kinky attachment to make these natural hair twist, and using kinky attachment is going to make it look good and also give it weight. Now these two types of twisting, you can actually make both on your natural hair, but the results you're going to get, they're not going to be the same. So you're not going to achieve the same result. The two type of twist is also known as two-strand twist or two-strand hair. For the kinky twist or natural hair twist, what you are going to do is section the part that you want to make and divide the hair into three. Braid it like a normal braid to secure the roots. Once you have secured the roots of your hair, divide it into two and do the twisting. The twisting, you are going to do it in such a way that you are tying your hair and at the same time you are twisting your hand. So you are tying your head and twisting your hand, and it's going to give you a twist that looks like a tying method. But once you are done, it's going to give you a different type of twisting. So once you are done, ravel the end and keep it. I think some people get a little bit confused about these two type of twisting, especially maybe if you are new to hair making. Some people get too confused about these two type of twisting. I believe after seeing this video, you are going to learn one or two about the two type of twisting, how to make the two type of twisting, and also the difference between them. So keep watching. I'm going to repeat the method again for you to understand better. If you happen not to grab what I said earlier, then I think you should learn it now to understand better. Section the hair you want and divide into three. Braid the root like a normal braid. This just to secure the roots, which is optional. Then after you have secured the root, divide it into two and do your twisting like you are tying a rope. When you are doing the tying, twist your hand also, like I'm just doing, like you are tying a rope. Once you are done, ravel the end and keep. Now for the normal twisting, which can be done using attachment, I'm going to show you how to do that. Section the hair that you want, divide it into three and secure the roots. Once you are done securing the roots of the hair, divide it into two Now in this method we are not going to be doing it a tying method, because the first one is as if you are doing the twisting forward, so you are doing the tying forward, but in this one you are doing it backward, twisting your hand backward and giving you a different method, which is not that tying of hair. So this one is giving you twists immediately, whereas the first one is giving you a look that looks like tying, but this one is giving you twisting. Now see how this looks like. It looks very long, whereas the other one shrinks. Once you are done making the kinky twist, it shrinks back, whereas the normal twist straightens immediately. I think this is the difference between the two twists. The difference is very clear. The other one is straight twist, whereas the other one shrinks back. At first, when you make the kinky twist, it straightens, but once you are done, it shrinks back. Whereas the first one, when you are making it, it straightens. Once you are done, it's still straight. This is just the major difference between the two twists. I hope you found this video helpful. So take a look at this last one and take a look at the two and compare. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, subscribe to be part of this family and click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. Leave a comment on what you think about this two type of twisting. So guys, thank you for staying to this moment. See you in my next video. Bye.